Hi, welcome to Chicken Tracker. Brought to you by Stephen Nash, Quinn Nordmark, Yen Porter, Isaac Mitchell, with special help from Meg Roth, Charles Wren, and Dylan Perry. Chicken Tracker is a farm management application that is aimed primarily at small farmers and homesteaders. It lets users track their outdoor animals, allowing them to feel connected to their much-loved furry friends. Log in, and you will be taken to your user dashboard, where you can see the number and types of animals you currently have, view important events or appointments for the week, and view and access your current shelters. To get a closer look at the specific shelter, click on the sidebar Shelters button. Here we can see our shelters displayed with the number of animals in each. If we click on a shelter, it will take us to a shelter show page, where we can see a more specific list of animals residing in this particular shelter. We'll also see a monthly calendar to view a longer range of appointments. We can edit or delete a shelter from here as well. From here, we can add or create a new animal as an addition to this shelter. Click on Create New Animal, enter your animal's names, species type, birthday, and color. Click Save. We're redirected to this animal show page with some information about the chicken. If we would like, we can add a photo, choose a file and click Submit. And here we have Angelina Bo Peep displayed on her own show page.
Our Chicken Tracker app is unconventional in the sense that it uses the Rails framework for both the front end and the back end. It makes API calls to API ninjas through the use of Faraday. And though API ninjas wasn't our first choice, because there are others with more relevant information, it was the one that was available at the low cost of free, and we went with that. The front end is styled with HTML and CSS, which also is styled with Bootstrap to reach one of our list of glory items, a mobile-friendly design. Our two other list of glory items were timed logouts, as well as passwordless login through the use of Google's OAuth. And our app is hosted on Heroku.
For the front end of our web application, we utilize the Bootstrap framework to do the heavy lifting. After you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard where your information about your animal shelter and animals are displayed. It was important for us that Chicken Tracker be mobile friendly because almost everyone has a phone, but not everyone has a computer. So we designed the dashboard to have a responsive sidebar. You can view your calendar, shelters, and even a list of your animals. In order to style our forms, we implemented the Simple Form gem to give our website a more modern look when creating or editing an object, due to its built-in support for Bootstrap. It also offers enhanced error handling features and dry principle support with its automatic label and input associations. For our calendar, we used a simple calendar gem that made it quick and easy for use. Our users can schedule important events pertaining to their animals and see when it's coming up next. Here's your user dashboard that displays your animal stats and your shelter stats. If you click on the calendar, it'll show you your weekly calendar so you can see if you have any upcoming events. You can see a list of all of your shelters here, or you can go and create a new shelter. And also, you have a list of your animals in your shelter that is easily accessible to you.
The database is organized into two parts, the front end and the back end. Users has login information and nothing else. Front end then sends the user ID to the back end, where the back end uses the user ID to find all shelters that belong to that user. Shelters has many animals, where both customized info about your animal is stored, such as its name, color, and birthday. And we also use an external API to retrieve data about that animal's species, such as weight, lifespan, and litter size. An image of each animal may also be uploaded and stored on the front end. Images works by making its unique ID the same as its associated animal's ID. This is the animal image uploader, where you can save your favorite picture of your chicken and have it display on your show page. Here we see the backend contract, where we are given instructions on how to make our own front-end program and the data received from each CRUD call.